Hi guys, good morning guys, good morning. How you doing? How's your day going? Okay guys, we're going to be doing a brightening combo. We're going to have part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 of brightening combo and also affordable. Then after that we'll be doing whitening set combo. Whitening combo as in the cream, soap, serum, hand cream, body scrub you can pair with each other to give you that brighter glowing milk skin. So today we'll be starting with brightening combo. Brightening and affordable. Brightening and affordable. So here we go.